Okay, now this is some lip liners. Now, I've always got NYX lip liners. And I also get Mary Kay. Mary Kay has some good products. I know some of y'all like, Mary Kay, this for the old folks. Baby, no. Because they have some really, you know what? I'm just going to shut up. So, the first thing, I'm just going to reach in the box. This is literally my first, like, I haven't opened anything. Everything is still like in the packaging. I bought some crystal quartz brushes. This is by BH Cosmetics. And with this particular haul, what I did was I thought about what it was that I needed, something new, and I went on the Ulta site. I pretty much chose some of the fan fade products to see if I would actually like them, like y'all like them. We'll see. But yeah, these are the crystal brushes, 12 pieces. It comes with the deluxe powder brush, the large rounded bronze brush. Wait, I'm trying to put that. So the deluxe powder brush, the large round bronzing brush, the rounded buffing brush, I'm pretty sure that's this one. The flat contour brush, this one. The large blending brush, this one. The tapered blending brush, this one. And you know, the other ones are like domed and buffing brushes, eyeshadow brushes, pencil brush, flat concealer brushes, angle brushes. So I mean, I couldn't point at everything because I'm still learning just like y'all. That's probably why y'all watching this video, because y'all trying to learn something too. But I mean, hey, I'm trying to learn too. But I share with y'all what I do know. I ain't no expert yet. I'm just gonna be real. Okay, so the next product that I bought is the Tarte. Let me see. Tarte foundation. And the reason why I chose the Tarte is because I have sensitive skin and I'm very interested in like vegan, natural products and like holistic health. I'm really interested in that kind of stuff. So I decided to get the Tarte foundation. I'm gonna try that. And actually what I'm gonna do is after I get finished with this video, I'm going to do a makeup video of like me doing my makeup, because I get a lot of questions like, who did your makeup, girl? I be like, me. They be like, you better stop paying people to do your makeup. But see, the thing about me is when I do my makeup, yeah, if I'm rushing, it ain't gonna be right. But as long as I take my time, I mean, I think I do a pretty good job. Like, not trying to toot my own horn or anything, but I think I do a pretty good job. I be like feeling myself and stuff. You know how y'all be when y'all get y'all makeup on. Y'all be like, you know, we be talking with our hands, we be playing with our hair. You know how we be. Okay, anyway, so this brush is, I mean, shoot, not a brush. I'm tripping. See, y'all, I'm literally just pulling this stuff out the box. These are all new products for me. So I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, this is another Tarte brand. This is the concealer. Some Tarte concealer. Oh, wait a minute, hold up. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. Hold on. Wait a minute. Let me see. Okay. Anyway. Yeah, this is some Tarte concealer. This is the medium fan. Like, I don't know why I got medium fan. Like, is this even right? I'm pretty sure it was supposed to be medium tan. I don't know. Anyway. So, yeah. I told y'all, I'm learning just like y'all learning. I be trying different stuff. did it. I did the little Glam Lab thing on the Ulta app where it kind of like, you know, you take a picture of your face, you go left or right, and then it tell you what color foundation you need because Ulta is closed due to COVID-19. Social distancing, they only got curbside. So the only thing I can do is order online and hope that it's what I want when I get it. Okay, so these are some lipsticks. I'm trying to jazz it up a little bit, start doing a little different stuff with the lips. This is by Maybelline. These are by Maybelline. Okay, these are by Maybelline. It's cute little tube. It's in little red, little blue, but it ain't blue for real. But you know, anyway, this is by Maybelline. This color is Rich Ruby. Little Rich Ruby. Ooh, baby. I encourage all of my ladies. I know I keep looking at the screen, y'all, because I'm trying to look at the product, make sure y'all can see it right. For all my ladies, I encourage everybody to get a red lipstick, okay? Get you a red lipstick, please. That's another professional tip because I'm trying to help y'all keep it pretty and professional. So I want y'all to get a red lipstick, okay? Make sure it's popping. Make sure it's a popping, not a dark red lipstick, but get your red one. This one is called Gone. Hold up now. Gone Greach. I don't know what they say, but this is it. It's a little darker than what I thought it was gonna look like. I don't know, yeah. I just be picking stuff up. But when I do my makeup, y'all will be able to see what it turned out, how it turned out. Okay, now this is some lip liners. Now, I've always got NYX lip liners. And I also get Mary Kay. Mary Kay has some good products. I know some of y'all like, Mary Kay, this for the old folks. Baby, no. Because they have some really, you know what? I'm just going to shut up. I'm going to do a Mary Kay haul too, so y'all can see. Lip pencil. This one, what color is this? Y'all got to find what the color is. I don't really know much about makeup, okay? So don't be sitting back judging me. Don't be sitting back judging me. I'm learning just like y'all learning. Most of the stuff I have taught myself. I have not taken any makeup classes, but I'm going to because I gotta get these eyebrows together. Eyebrows is a struggle. This is Espresso. I found it. This is Espresso by NYX lip liner because I love an ombre lip. I love it. Ombre lips. They just so cute. And yeah, I don't know how to pronounce this word. Mauve. Mauve? I'm gonna say mauve. M-U-A-V-E. Don't judge me, judge your mammy, okay? Because, hold up. Can y'all see that? It ain't movable, I know that. But yeah, this is another lip liner. What else I got? Jaclyn, baby, hold up, cause I was just looking at her video. I didn't even realize that's what I had bought this Jaclyn Hill, another one of my favorite YouTubers. Yes, girl, I'm subscribed to your channel. Yeah, look at this. But I just love Morphe palettes in general. I love their brushes. This one is a Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss eyeshadow palette. They were on sale, baby. You did not catch this sale. I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to try again. But they were on sale for like 2 for $16 or 2 for $20 or something. I think it was like $8 a piece. Yes, the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm an earth tone girl. Like, I'm not really into the popping yellow and the popping green. Like, I'm really not into that. I'm more so like a natural, you know, It's not me. I'm not knocking nobody that do it, you know, but it's just not me, okay? So this is the palette. Yeah, oh, wait a minute. It's a whole mirror up there. I can't see my background. Oh, I like this. Okay. So this is the palette. I'm sorry, y'all. I don't know how to do this. Hold up, because okay, y'all can see it like that. It don't matter. Y'all can see it like that. Cute little purple right there. I might try some purple. Boss. Yeah, these are cute. These are really, really cute. Okay, I'll let y'all see it when I put it on my eyes. Okay. Now, this is another palette, girl. I did get two because they was like $8.50 a piece or something like that. Another Jaclyn Hill. Ring the alarm. Okay, Beyonce. Okay, Beyonce. Every time I hear that, I think about Beyonce. That's my girl. Hey. Hey, Beyonce. It's another palette. Oh, Jaclyn. Wait a minute. She on the bag. She's so cute. Look at her. Cute little bob. Okay. Oh yeah, these my colors right here. This is my favorite. These are my favorite type of colors to wear. These are my favorite colors. A little soft, shimmery pink. Oh Lord, she got some cuss words on here. It's okay. I like this palette, girl. Okay. I think that's it. Yeah, that's all y'all for today. I am going to do a video of me putting my makeup on. Probably have to speed it up because it takes me, might take me an hour or so if I take my time. I'm gonna take my time for y'all because I get a lot of questions about it. Because I ain't, like I said, I'm learning just like y'all learn. But I don't mind sharing what I know at all. I'm not this type of person. Folks don't be wanting to tell stuff. They don't want to tell you where they shop at. They don't be wanting to tell you where they got stuff from because they don't want you to, baby, let me tell you something. One thing about life, you will learn. It don't matter how many people do it. It don't matter how many people wear it. Can't nobody do it like you. Okay, remember that. Ain't nobody gonna look like you. Ain't nobody gonna walk like you, talk like you. Can't nobody be you. Do you think Uber hating on Lyft? No. Everybody getting money. It don't matter. Okay? So, thank you all for watching my video. My first haul, like, I did it. Yeah, anyways, okay. I love makeup just as much as y'all. And, yeah, I'm gonna do another video on my makeup routine and what I do. I need to do a skincare. I need to do a skincare routine. But, thank you all for watching. Stay tuned to the makeup tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed it. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, turn those notifications on so that you don't miss a beat.